Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because Apa, you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most, especially when we are on locker room, guys. Thank you very much. Re kopa ba fetole re support once again. Ke tlo le hopotsa click o subscribe fela da so o kenye di comment da so re bua di issue tse baya. I don't think kunala ungasala khona yabo. Yeah. Ngoba manje sikhuluma ngawo wonke ama issue la bafethu. Social issues in general. Yabona lady. Yeah. So on Monday lendlulile bengo radio bafethu laphayana ku Soweto FM yabo ngishaya round bangibezela bafethu laphayana niyazi ke siphusha ipositivity yabo sibonisa abangaboni nathi asibone siyadinga ukuboniswa yabona yeah siyadinga ukuboniswa si depressed siyadinga ukukhuthazwa sine stress nathi njengani bafethu yabo so each one teach one yabo thank you very much ngiyabonga futhi bafethu ngokuthi nibukela ama video wethu bafethu yabo this is your podcast ngelanga ngenxa yenu yabo so makuyi Sunday kanje ubuye emasontweni or just before your sontweni ube nesikhathi nje boma imizuzwana nje ukumamele yabo sifundisana I said it before mina ukuthi ngakhuluma i-solution ku problem yakho yabo ngakhuluma umuthi eguleni kwakho uphole same as you nawe monga comment wabuza umbuzo lapho ungangihlakaniphisi but okay this is how it works you understand that ngoba kwesinye isikhathi angeke ube sure ukuthi i-guidance right iyophumaphi yabo kwesinye isikhathi iza kuyi-question yabo kanti guidance enzima leyo empilweni yakho you just have to use your skill ukuthi manje uyibheke yabona and ayifuni nange skill lento man yabo it's just that stretching ingqondo yakho ukuthi uqabane many people are lazy to think and leyo nto isibulele nathi yabo isibulela kakhulu bafethu hi kunento la recently and but mangicabanga ngithola ukuthi ingasifundisa especially abancane abazemva kwethu intona zethu bafethu zibe ne brighter future yabo kunabantu abake bangithinta ukuthi bra apa wena manje ngathi so concentrate kuma politics manje yabo kwenze njani yabo omunye futhi naye hayi bra apa soka lapha emapolitikini uyozusulela izinto eziyingozi awuboni ukuthi uzolimala ngibona ukuthi hayi this one uyangithreatenisha lo yabo awuthi ngamameli yabo so ngimamela lo othe mina manje ngathi ngiconcentrate kuma politics why rather ngiconcentrate ekumotivateeni izintwana yabo leyo nto le yenza ukuthi manje ngiqabanga ukuthi okay here is the problem la sine inkinga yokuthi sonke ke leyo the way labantu abangitshela ngakhona okay mina ngi-motivational speaker although I call myself educational speaker I knew what I was doing bengi-avoida zona lezi zinto yabona I'm not only a motivational speaker I'm an educational speaker which means in all issues Brian ngikhona mina sinama issue amaningi impilo inamakhono amaningi impilo i-round impilo inendawo eziningi impintshana yabo sivimba ngapha sivimba ngapha sivimba ngapha sivimba ngapha yabona so I don't know this ukuthi ibuya mhlambe kule ingqondo lezi zokuthi sithanda abantu or ama politician wethu siba personal masiya kubo yabo siba personal and masenza kanjalo bafethu ulahla iminingi yabo olahla iminingi yonke into uzoconvince abantu manje ngoba wena lo muntu omthandayo masikhuluma masikhipha ama-opinion ngama-comment wakhe wena uyakwata ngoba manje akusama-opinion ovumelana nawo wena even if kungathiwa lo muntu wrong utshontshile kula abantu baphika hey hands off my leader hey although these people are wrong yabona so ngifuna abafana bethu sihlala sibatshela abafana bethu ukuthi ubheke nabantu abadala hayi bonke abakhuluma izinto ezi-right uyangi-understand hayi bonke abakhuluma izinto ezi-right because not to say abantu badom la abantu bazwe ubuhlungu enhlizweni zabo bakhole ngamapeyini bakhole manje sishawa ama-regret ukuthi ngadla i-20 million azange ngishadele yamfazi bekumele ngimshadile ngazimoshela umsebenzi lesasipani yimi engazimoshela umamama ngisakhulumisane naye manje and ushonile singakakhulumisane ngingakaqolisi those things are stress bafethu enhlizweni zabantu but into ebuhlungu ukuthi the way bafuna ukuhila ngakhona wabona akusindlela yokuhila leyo yokukhipha ama-feelings wabo but bawa-redirect kube ngathi ama-feelings wabanye abantu especially us who are on the platforms lawa ama-media yabo wena uzwa into engiyikhulumayo la no isiki yakho wena ukuthi uthanda lo muntu and upersonal akusuba bakho lo muntu and these people bafethu it doesn't matter ukuthi ubuya kweyiphi political party i-leader ye-South African people hayi only you or only particular group ngoba wena une-membership ya this particular party and then wena uzocabanga ukuthi manje wena we don't have a right thina emasayidini ukuthi sikhulume yabona we are not pointing the person we are not personal ourselves masikhuluma yabona si-attack-a izinto azikhulumayo sibheke u-wrong ne-right umuntu angaba wrong angaba right 90% yabo but 10% abe wrong kumele simbonise not to say seka wrong yonke into ningezwa kanjalo ubuhlungu ma-fighters ma-ANC ma-DA it doesn't matter Action SA wena ubuya kweyiphi party leyo leader leyo akusi-leader e-leader wena kuphela u-leader ama-South Africans ungambuza naye yabo in fact ngiyani-challenge nonke yabo buza i-leader yakho yabo nkathi Freedom Party hamba buza leyo leader ukuthi eba kahle kahle wena uyi-leader yama-members phela abanama-membership or uyi-leader yama-South Africans na uzokutshela ukuthi ngiyi-leader yama-South Africans mfethu uzokutshela kanjalo so nina masikhomenta thina because I don't have a membership or angibonisi mina ukuthi ngokweyiphi political party no ama-politic ayasi-affecta sonke bafethu young and old yabo you know what is the reason yama-drugs eMzansi or in the world ama-politicians ayajabula abantu on the street mababhema ama-drugs you know why they will have no challenge they will have no opponent uyabona akunamuntu ozothi lana wrong lana right because sitakiwe ama-drugs siphuza utshwala over basifuna lapho vele and bayazi ukuthi masiloko sibhema ama-drugs siba nezinye inkinga emuva so lwesabazali ngapha uzondwa abakini ngapha uyatshontsha umphakathi uyakuzonda ngapha uyabona ukuthi ama-drugs adala ini so umuntu onjalo ama-politics angawabheka kanjani angeke ujampa nje makuthiwa 350 awazi ize kanjani yabo awazi ize kanjani no bafethu kumele masomphakathi especially abantu abancane i-youth yabo ungene kulezi zinto zamapolitiki uzifundise ubheke because you never know ukuthi life ingakulahlela kuphi ngelinye ilanga and ungatshelwa wena kumele ubeke ulalela abantu mababeka indaba phezulu kwetafula nikhulumisana equally uyangithola khona manje asazi ama-right wethu asazi lutho but wena ungitshela ukuthi ngingangeni indaba zamapolitiki kanjani ngoba lezi zinto zi-affecta thina direct bafethu makukhulunywa mabathi balwela umphakathi bakhuluma ngathi la on the street wena uthi ngiphume kwezamapolitiki nyenywe angilwisi umuntu mos angilwe mos yabo ngibeka iside lami into bekumele kube sayenza bafethu especially lezi ezincane ngoba labantu abakhulumile amangithi nyabheka balapha kuma 30s 35 yabo yeah bafethu asiboni ngokufana emhlabeni. Let us always agree to disagree. Uyangithola hlonipha iopinion yomunye umuntu uyabona uyibheke ngendlela human uyabona siyekele lento leyo ukuzizwa ngathi si brave we are ready to fight in guys we are always right uyabona omunye umuntu makakhuluma ngoba wena uzonda mina personal no phuma kulezo why wena uzongitshela ukuthi ngizolimala ngilimazwa yini ngithuke bani ngilwise bani asifundeni bafethu nezintwana zethu abantwana benu intwana yakho Brian izokwazi ukuhlakanipha nawe ubone ukuthi his future uyabona your children's future izoba njani ibe right kube uwe understand makuthiwa your vote is your power kusho ukuthini bheka dala kuthiwa our vote has power but namhlanje bheka sikuphi siyakhala we are powerless but we have those vote yabona omunye umsebenzela makathola idladla sekathi hayi ngisebenzele mina PAC yasebenza mina ngiyasebenza ngoba wena bosebenza ngesikhathi sePAC wena bosebenza uphethe ikhampani wena ngesikhathi se Christian Party yabo obvious khona abantu bebasebenza ngeapartheid bamnandi into zabo zihamba kahle uyabona abanye babo asazi ukuthi why bezihamba kahle asazi even namabhono guys bewabribewa hence but everyone has a price but with white people especially in the apartheid regime bekumele ubanike ama numbers not money banike group yabantu ehlangana kuphi banike group yabantu le forma ama meeting okuba against bona we understand but banika leyo nto and then you get what you want from them but we are not sure how long but nabanye abake bayenza lawo madili basasekhona namhlanje basifihlile bathulile angithi uphila impilo right today right but ke lezo zinto ukuthi zingayenzeki namanye ama issue bafethu singabe ne gender based violence in the future wabona in the future right now wena uzozilungisa umuntu omdala wena if you're gonna be cruel or what it's up to you wena somdala yabona siyekele nje yami siyekele sisters sikhulume nabafana bethu abantwana bakho yabo even if ngizonda mina angikuzondi nabantwana bakho ngibazondi umphakathi loyo abantwana bakho is part of community if wena you feel like you are not
they are the future
they are the future and they won't think like you believe me umntana wakho ngeke aqabange njengawe uyabona umntana wakho ngeke wena akhile engqondweni ukuthi abe nama morals abe ne peace enhlizweni yakhe azi wrong and right aphilisane nabanye abantu that's all you can do umntwana yabona nokumenzela ifuture right because siphila emhlabeni wama politician bafethu isystem ngeke sishintsha ngathi so wena mangikhuluma lo umthandayo usuyangithuka usubona ngerong so khetha ukungifrethina phuma lapho uzolimala ini hayi even with me my brother don't be personal I always say bafethu kunento engifuna abantu bayazi la don't love anyone 100% love unless you are lying ngenhliziyo yakho yonke ngifuna sengiyichache lento ngenhliziyo yakho yonke 100% okay love is 100% right then how mawuthanda lo muntu nge 100% wena usala ngani what is left for you What is left for your siblings? What is left for your parents? What is left for your friends? What is left for your life? We understand? So mina ngithi nika umuntu 50% love. Nawo sale nge-50 yakho. Yabo, ungazothi ungoshela isikhathi. Yabo, ungiyenzeni. Nawo ungaforced ukuthi abantu bakunike 100% love baba. Or trust or believe. No, abakunike 100%, it can't be. Ayenzeki leyo nto. Yabo. So nawe uzokwazi ukugeza. Angithi uyazithanda. Within the 50% that is left. Now you can use to love yourself. Now ubheka impilo yakho explore. Sinamatalent ahlukile. Me and my partner singaba namatalent ahlukile. It doesn't mean we have to be soccer players so too. We have to be producers so too. Music producers. No, we have to be singers. That doesn't guarantee ukuthi uthando lamampela ngithi. It doesn't guarantee. Yabo. So bafethu mina angazi ngabeka kanjani ngithanda ukuthi sibe open minded, sihlakaniphe. Ngayibeka kanjalo entwaneni zabo. Usasemncane uyazifundisa lezi zinto. Naba bomchunu uyabheka ukuthi kwenzakalani. Who knows ukuthi wena ntwana yami one day uzoba iminister. Yabo? Who knows ukuthi intombazane yakho one day kuzoba i-commissioner of police national. Yabo? Thina sifuna ukwakha isizwe sinjalo.
Or the first female president.
Or the first female president in South Africa. Permanent president. Not laba bebabekwa nje kusalungiswa something. Babekwa nje ngoba kusalungiswa something ama interim what. Permanent. So bafethu makungalunga thina saba open minded ngendlela right. Definitely sure abantwana bethu khona la baya khona. The future will look bright. But if thina siloko selwa kanje singabheka izinto ngoba open minded. Yabona? Mina ngisho ngithi it doesn't matter what issue. As long there is peace, there is respect there. There is love for yourself. But if you love yourself, you can't do dirty things to people. You can't do dirty things to people because you love yourself. You can't display hatred to other people. You can't. And if you respect yourself, you will respect others. And that will happen automatically, bafethu. So, lento leyo ukuthi si-attackane ini abantwana bethu umntana khona uqabanga ukuthi akayazi social media, right? Ngoba usasemncane. Wena uzompatreka seka addicted kuyo if uphethe leyo ngqondo. Phuma kuleyo ngqondo. Ngeke wazi ukuthi makana abangani bakhe umntanakho bambonisa ini esikolweni ngefone. Or abochomi estradeni ngefone. Leyo wena usaqabanga ukuthi lo islam angeke ngizwe abazali ababhaya yabo. They go with the thing of umntanakhe hayi ngwana kana yo uyikokobeditse umo. Habone next. Kanti utlwile uri wena ore habone next. O shapa kae o rola le yona. Khatale nna o shebile ra mama ke smauma.
Yes, ke na
sa bone next or nna a ke bone next. So e re ke khatele ena la. Bana ba etsa jwalo because they are looking to perfect their things.
Yes.
Their craft. Wa bona ba shebile okay nna ke sebetsa so ba mothipa ko strateng ora meno mama menyenza kaje akaboni umama menyenza kaje akaboni ubaba menyenza kaje akaboni lokho uqabanga ukuthi uhlelo. So bafethu sibophana amabhande la. No one is stupid and no one is smarter than the other. Ngithanda ukuyibeka kanjalo. If you think you are smart, just know everyone is smart. If you think you are stupid, you are alone on that one. I mean, it's true, man. Yeah.
That's so funny.
Young John. Yeah. So now today, Buffett, the moral of the story is being open-minded. hence re lwantsha di-drugs, re lwantsha bo bojwala, re lwantsha di-abuse, re batla fresh mind. We are fighting for fresh mind at the end of the day because we know what fresh mind can do, bafethu. Yabona, siba creative. Phela abantu ba talented Brian, more than wena. And lefutso ha le ya baneng le fetella. If wena beba kubiza uprofessor ebholweni, umntana wakho bazombiza uMessi. Oyenza izinto okudlula uprofessor. Uyangithola? Izinto ziyashintsha. So nengqondo yethu ayibe kanjalo bafethu. Yabo, ayibe kanjalo. Ungabi labantu abadala bathi, "Hey, nakunataba lento tsetsa di WhatsApp." Akunataba lento tsetsa di eng. Wabona? Those people ba bang ba tshaba o ithuta, they are scared of change.
Of what they don't know.
Yeah, of what they don't know. Ba tshaba hore yena ha sa tsebe wena o tlo re ke setlaela. Wa bona we are all wrong. Those who are supposed to teach us and those that are supposed to be taught. We are both wrong. Arrogance. One tell about it. Arrogance. Of which, how and not arrogant, we root about how.
You're setting an example.
And I want to it's our West. When I know it's a common clue, my dear. On top of Guamila. When I was at a comseting an alter months, but got on me here, I remember Tibet. I said that arrogance, Nama Macan never call them or touch her soul. Nama Macan roja. Give me how I'm a rata, but it's wrong what the born Sana dieta. Didn't say. Sakalo dieta. That's how we cut the chain. Chamala Kakatse Nikela rata. And we like to believe but they are all perfect. They are not. Serious, respect. They are not. No one is perfect. No one is perfect. Yeah, that's why we always have to learn.
Stay open-minded, like
stay open-minded. So that we tutor road in terms of the change, a little by little, into the change. Or to amohela change, bophelong, bafethu.
Yes.
Onaje, I always say, this is not the era of bosses. As you can see, those they operate like bosses. They are telling you, and if you ask questions, they are telling you again. And if you ask questions, now they are telling you.
Yes. Different telling.
Yeah, those are the bosses, my brother. Or else they are telling you.
Yes.
But indirect, because their hands are always clean. Yes. As they say, my hands are clean. Yeah. My hands are clean. One understand that, my brother? Yeah, my hands are clean. They always say like that because when they operate indirect, they clean their tracks.
Yes.
But they use money to do things. They redirect good money to do bad things. Wow. Get the boss. Yes. Now that era is finished, guys. In case you haven't noticed this is the beginning of the leaders era. So, I always tell them, learn to come to be a leader. You have to be a leader. A leader is communicating. Yes. It's not telling. Yes. One understand? The leader is considerate. Leader
compassionate.
Yes, humble.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you. Leader. Why one of my brother? Hence I was saying I don't want a political party that will come and tell me their manifesto. No.
Yes.
I don't want that.
They are not taking your needs into consideration.
Yes, they are telling me theirs. What are they going to do to me? Yes. For me.
Like you're a puppet.
At the end of the day, they are not investigating and sentenced. That's what I was voting for. But it's a law. So, no manifesto. Yes. Or it's a investigation. Everyone lala one voga, walala wa paisa. wa vuka wa titizela ha ba kwebile motho ka tsela wrong o le leponisa ka lebaka la hao wena you do half of his sentence.
That's fair.
Isn't bona ba bellwa ka thoko ba suspendwa fela ba khutle. They do the same thing and again and now they can cover it up.
Yes.
I don't know sathi about ngabanjwa da.
Because of this and that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do it this way and this way so that I can avoid those complications. Wa understand my brother? So nna ke batla hore e qale ka di family ntho hore let us be open-minded bafethu re ska hlola re jwetsa bana ba rona re ska ba di boss ka mo dintlong go kwane la we know.
Yeah, we know. We don't have to remind us every day.
O ngwana ka wena we know. I love my children we know. Those are, you don't need validation over those things because how ka sheba di tena dingqondo tsa rona into arrogance.
Yes.
You understand my brother? Let us communicate with our kids.
Respect.
Yeah, ke hello nada. This is home. This is home.
Yeah. That's a better perspective.
This is my house. Why bona la ding e jwalo my brother? Because bana ba hao ba ka o tloela ba tlo o tloela ka mo ntlong.
Because it's yours.
Because it's your house. But look, they will just leave you mentally, but physically they won't go anywhere.
Oh.
Physically they won't go anywhere. But mentally they will leave you with your house. How is that? You won't control them anymore.
Yes.
And now it is a disgrace. To you it's an embarrassment as a parent. But to God it's a disgrace. You failed this money. Modimo ha blame bana. Never. Never. He gave us this responsibility or re lead. Guide them. Wa bona. Hence kere era ya diposi fitile nna ke shapa matsogo ba fethu a o etsa la so country wise. I wish le batho re ka qala re be jwalo. You know ba fethu le batho re ka qala re clean rona. Clean yourself like Konazidu before ke kwala ke chelo ka re ba fethu my opinion go change the same wa bona ge nka tsa basadi nane ke re no if ntanga o utlwa re seneme ya hao ya o bora azani ya o sebeletsa wena o khathetse bile o suffer because of yona nyenyenye nka ya mkhonasi. Thank you very much. Ke tla bona next week Sunday. Apa you're reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Ngidlalile yami party namuhla.